Hello guys, this is my second video for the learners of Spanish as English native speakers. So my name is Miss Lily and today I'm going to tell you some peculiar things about the differences between the two languages. So today we are going to talk about articles. So here I have definite article de in English and indefinite article, an. So, the equivalent in Spanish is the following. El for male singular nouns, el automóvil, that means the car. La for female singular nouns, la casa, the house. Los for male plural nouns, los árboles, the trees. Las for female plural nouns, las niñas, the girls, right? In the same way, it happens the same with the indefinite article. So, un automóvil means a car. Una casa means a house. Unos árboles means some trees. And unas niñas means some girls. So you see that it is a bit more complicated perhaps in Spanish, but that doesn't mean that you cannot learn this language, because there are some other things which are much easier in Spanish than English. For example, if I refer to negative aspects of the language, for example, you say, I didn't come. In Spanish, we should be saying no vine. No. That is the negative particle that we use before verbs so that we form the negative aspect of different statements, right? So, if you want to say, for example, I don't usually go to the park, in Spanish, no voy al parque generalmente. So we are adding the negative particle no before any verb. It must be in the past or in the present or in the future. We always say no before the verb to form the negative aspect. So we don't use auxiliaries like don't, doesn't, didn't, or any of those ones, right? So in this case, it is easier. In that case, it is a bit more difficult. But it's a question of practicing it. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.